How to report a Facebook account in 2021. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly what you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook friends tab, and then what you have to do is you have to open any of the persons that you want to report. You can choose any of the person. Let's see, I choose this person, and then what you can do is you can simply click on the three dots in the right side of the respond button, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the find support or report profile. First option, you have to click on this, and then it is loading, and here you can choose any of the region, fake account, fake name, anything. I want to help, I can't access my account, so I choose fake account. After that, click on the submit, and then you can click on the next, and here you can see it is saying that if you can block Madan, and you can also block hide all. From the hide, you can stop seeing post from this person, and so what you can do, you can click on the done, and now you have reported this person. So that's basically it, that how you can report a Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.